Hey there, it's Mike at Dine in Recruiting. In today's 2-minute hire how to, we're talking about why you need to be fast in today's recruitment game. And if you're not, it'll almost always lead to recruiting fatigue, which then if that sets in, you're doomed and you'll almost always make a subpar hire. All right, what is recruiting fatigue? We're going to start with that part first. What is it? You know what it is? You know what it is? It reminds me of when I go to the Cheesecake Factory, right? You go to the Cheesecake Factory, you're fired up. They got 90 different types of cheesecake. You sit down, you're all excited. They lay, boom. Then they lay that big menu right in front of you. It's like a phone book. You can't believe your eyes. You're like, what? How is this? How do they have that many things? What is the kitchen? What is going on in that kitchen? How do they make so many different things? So I'm going through, whenever I go to the Cheesecake Factory, I go through it all. I go through it line by line. What do I want? What do I want? They've got everything in the world here. About 15 to 20 minutes into it though, what happens? I get tired. I get tired of all the options and really none of it sounds all that great, really. It kind of sounds good, but I don't really know. I think I want this thing. Now I think I want this thing. It just goes on too long and I want it to stop. I want the menu to go away. So I just pick something. I say, bring me whatever the heck. I don't even know what I want now. And then they bring me something. Half the time I don't even remember what I ordered. Well, that's what happens. That's what recruitment fatigue is. If you interview too many people, if you were just interviewing and interviewing and interviewing and interviewing, before you know it, you just want it to stop. Interviewing and screening is not fun. It's tiring. It's mentally taxing. Before you know it, you're just tired of it and you want it to go away. You want it to end. So what do? You just make a hire because you want it to quit. That's recruiting fatigue. That's what I mean. You can't ever let that set in. So let me tell you, the best way to keep that from happening is to have a very efficient process. You have to be on the ball. You have to be quick. Boom. Have your process so you are bringing in really good candidates quickly. You are going to evaluate them quickly and you're going to make a decision quickly. If you do that, you never have recruitment fatigue set in and you never just make a hire because you want the recruitment process to stop. All right, now look. The best way to really do all of those things, how to really have an efficient process from A to Z, well, that's when you go to dineinrecruiting.com. Or you can just email me. Let's talk about it. Mike at dineinrecruiting.com. Go to dineinrecruiting.com right now. And also, I'm going to see you tomorrow on the next 2-minute hire how to. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.